Do you like coffee?
Do you like coffee?
Do you need any help?
Do you need any help?
Do you understand?
Do you understand?
Do you have a minute?
Do you have a minute?
Do you know the time?
Do you know the time?
Does she like tea?
Does she like tea?
Does he know about this?
Does he know about this?
Does it work properly?
Does it work properly?
Does this bus go downtown?
Does this bus go downtown?
Does your sister cook?
Does your sister cook?
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Can you come here?
Can you come here?
Can you speak louder?
Can you speak louder?
Can you cook dinner?
Can you cook dinner?
Can you play the piano?
Can you play the piano?
I want a coffee.
I want a coffee.
I want to go home.
I want to go home.
I want to sleep.
I want to sleep.
I want to eat.
I want to eat.
I want to help you.
I want to help you.
Do you have a pen?
Do you have a pen?
Do you drive to work?
Do you drive to work?
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Do you play sports?
Do you play sports?
Do you want to come?
Do you want to come?
Does your brother play football?
Does your brother play football?
Does he have a car?
Does he have a car?
Does she travel a lot?
Does she travel a lot?
Does it make sense?
Does it make sense?
Does he speak French?
Does he speak French?
Can you fix this?
Can you fix this?
Can you swim?
Can you swim?
Can you drive?
Can you drive?
Can you read this?
Can you read this?
Can you lift that?
Can you lift that?
I want to travel.
I want to travel.
I want to buy this.
I want to buy this.
I want to learn more.
I want to learn more.
I want to see you.
I want to see you.
I want to play.
I want to play.
Do you live nearby? Do you live nearby? Do you have children? Do you have children? Do you watch TV often? Do you watch TV often? Do you read books? Do you read books? Do you cook at home? Do you cook at home? Can you open the door? Can you open the door? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you stay longer? Can you stay longer? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you make it? Can you make it? I want to rest. I want to rest. I want to finish this. I want to finish this. I want to talk. I want to talk. I want to dance. I want to dance. I want to work here. I want to work here. Do you travel often? Do you travel often? Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly? Do you go to school? Do you go to school? Do you work here? Do you work here? Do you like music? Do you like music? Does it rain often here? Does it rain often here? Does your job pay well? Does your job pay well? Does she exercise daily? Does she exercise daily? Does he read novels? Does he read novels? Does she need help? Does she need help? Can you wait here? Can you wait here? Can you finish this? Can you finish this? Can you join us? Can you join us? I want to sing. I want to sing. I want to relax. I want to relax. I want to watch TV. I want to watch TV. I want to call her. I want to call her. I want to read this. I want to read this. Do you want to eat out? Do you want to eat out? Do you prefer tea or coffee? Do you prefer tea or coffee? Do you know her? Do you know her? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Do you enjoy hiking? Do you enjoy hiking? Does it hurt? Does it hurt? Does he take the bus? Does he take the bus? Does she live alone? Does she live alone? Does it happen often? Does it happen often? Does he wear glasses? Does he wear glasses? Can you bring that? Can you bring that? Can you write it down? Can you write it down? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Can you clean this? Can you clean this? Can you call me? Can you call me? I want to make a cake. I want to make a cake. I want to improve. I want to improve. I want to meet him. I want to meet him. I want to drive. I want to drive. I want to exercise. I want to exercise. Do you practice yoga? Do you practice yoga? Do you need directions? Do you need directions? Do you have pets? Do you have pets? Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Do you use social media? Do you use social media? Does she like chocolate? Does she like chocolate? Does it snow here? Does it snow here? Does he work late? Does he work late? Does she enjoy movies? Does she enjoy movies? Does it taste good? Does it taste good? Can you pass the salt? Can you pass the salt? Can you sing? Can you sing? Can you play chess? Can you play chess? Can you come over? Can you come over? Can you move this? Can you move this? I want to know more. I want to know more. I want to thank you. I want to thank you. I want to join. I want to join. I want to walk. I want to walk. I want to enjoy this. I want to enjoy this. Do you shop online? Do you shop online? Do you wake up early? Do you wake up early? Do you enjoy your meal? Do you enjoy your meal? Do you believe in ghosts? Do you believe in ghosts? Do you know how to swim? Do you know how to swim? Does he know the answer? Does he know the answer? Does she call you often? Does she call you often? Does it fit well? Does it fit well? Does he get tired easily? Does he get tired easily? Does she drink coffee? Does she drink coffee? Can you come with me? Can you come with me? Can you solve this? Can you solve this? Can you show me? Can you show me? Can you teach me? Can you teach me? Can you find it? Can you find it? Do you want to join us? Do you want to join us? Do you listen to podcasts? Do you listen to podcasts? Do you play video games? Do you play video games? Do you like the weather? Do you like the weather? Do you wear glasses? Do you wear glasses? Does it break easily? Does it break easily? Does he go to school? Does he go to school? Does she love her job? Does she love her job? Does it come in blue? Does it come in blue? Does he listen to music? Does he listen to music? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Can you walk? Can you walk? Can you get it? Can you get it? Can you send this? Can you send this? Can you remember? Can you remember? I want to try that. I want to try that. I want to create. I want to create. I want to listen. I want to listen. I want to organize this. I want to organize this. I want to play a game. I want to play a game. Do you visit family often? Do you visit family often? Do you attend concerts? Do you attend concerts? Do you have a passport? Do you have a passport? Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food? Do you recycle? Do you recycle? Does she visit often? Does she visit often? Does it look nice? Does it look nice? Does he drive? Does he drive? Does she cook well? Does she cook well? Does it happen every day? Does it happen every day? Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Can you dance? Can you dance? Can you sit here? Can you sit here? Can you feed the cat? Can you feed the cat? Can you close the window? Can you close the window? I want to write a book. I want to write a book. I want to succeed. I want to succeed. I want to explore. I want to explore. I want to be happy. I want to be happy. I want to be healthy. I want to be healthy. Do you garden? Do you garden? Do you play an instrument? Do you play an instrument? Do you meditate? Do you meditate? Do you like to dance? Do you like to dance? Do you have a hobby? Do you have a hobby? Does he play basketball? Does he play basketball? Does she need a ride? Does she need a ride? Does it take long? Does it take long? Does he make you laugh? Does he make you laugh? Does she dance? Does she dance? Can you call a taxi? Can you call a taxi? Can you take a photo? Can you take a photo? Can you check this? Can you check this? Can you stay here? Can you stay here? Can you talk to him? Can you talk to him? I want to share this. I want to share this. I want to enjoy my time. I want to enjoy my time. I want to be strong. I want to be strong. I want to relax today. I want to achieve my goals. I want to achieve my goals.